Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of the vintage Coach Whitney mini hobo bag, style number 9181 in the color black, and this bag was made in Turkey in 1999. So as you can see, it still has the original price tag attached, so this bag is in unused condition. So that's pretty cool for a bag from 1999. And it also comes with the original registration card and this little booklet with information on Coach as the brand. And it also comes with the little hang tag. It's a two-sided hang tag. And anyway, I'll show you more of the bag itself now. So as you can see, this is a little top handle bag, and it's got a snap closure here up top. And the back and the front look pretty similar. And then when we open the bag, it does have, it is fabric lined on the interior, and it also has a zip pocket, which I'll show you next. So now that I've removed the tissue paper that it came with, it's got a little zip pocket here along the back of the bag. And then of course the Coach Creed is back there. Try to show it to you. If you can't see it very well, I'll insert a photo of it next so you can see it better. So that's the Whitney mini hobo bag, style 9181. Just wanted to share it with you guys. It's a cute small option if you want something that you can carry by the top handle or maybe over the crook of your arm here. It's a nice little option. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this bag, and I'll see you next time.